Guys, hello. It's been a while. It's almost been like 3 weeks, and I've just been preoccupied with other things. I just need to get a quick video out here. We are currently above the 200-week moving average. The 200-week moving average is the red line. The 300-week is this blue line. This is pretty unusual. But let me be absolutely frank with you. I have no idea what's going on. I have zero idea what's going on, right? I was able to tell that we were going to get to the 200-week moving average, but how we proceed from here is completely, I have no idea. There's no data to, I was basing it off of previous data. There's no data for me to play with here. So we've seen here that we've come above the 200 and then we've come below. This is in 2015. This line doesn't go much further back. So we don't have a lot of data to play with. I have to leave in like 5 minutes. But this is information, I suppose, and I think in the next several, well, you know what, let's see, let's just take this down to like a 1 day instead of 1 week, so we can see we've been testing the 200 week, right? And this should actually be a really solid line. Like, it should be a line that's very, very difficult to break through. We've broken through now, and I think it's been like 30 odd days or something that we were underneath the 200 week moving average, and our low was about 17. I know there was a lot of chatter that we'd get down way lower, and to be absolutely frank with you, I was hoping we'd get down way lower, and we didn't. Right? So we're gonna have to wait and see. Like, are we gonna go touch this 300-week moving average? I'm not sure. But I guess the data that we do know is the environment here for Bitcoin is showing this. And we also know, and let's see if we can quickly pull up the we also know that the macro environment is absolutely trash right now, right? It's absolutely dangerous. It's not a healthy environment. So we have and there's another thing I need to point out. I'm kind of like all over the place here. I didn't prepare for this video at all, and you can ignore all the notes on the side here. We're not going to go over any of that stuff. But the S&P 500 is launching, right? So they're very correlated. S&P 500, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, all the stuff is extremely correlated right now. So you could say that this is happening because of that. Also, you could say that the US dollar is crashing, I believe, right now. Well, I mean, not crashing, but like we've had a wick down, right? We've had a wick down for whatever reason. That's interesting. But this all being said, at the end of the month, on the 28th, so in about 9 days from now, I think, we're going to have, or 27th, we're going to have announcements from the Fed on whether they're going to increase the rate by 0.5%, 0.75%, or 1 entire percent. It's unlikely it's 1 entire percent. I think the consensus is about 0.75. So 75 basis points. So that's going to determine some stuff, because if they do 0.75, it's not going to be as bad as last time they did it, which was, I believe, the 15th of June. That was when we got 17,000. This is going to be probably another 0.75. So I don't think we're going to see this kind of wick come down again. If it's a 100, we could potentially come back down. If it's a 50, we're definitely not coming back down. That's good news for risk assets if the interest rate doesn't go up as fast and as high. So the macro environment is not good, right? We had interest rates come up much higher than expected. And now we have some kind of weird bounce here. I'm not really sure. This could be a dead cat sort of thing where it's just faking out everyone, and then we're going to see a larger capitulation down. I'm not sure. Could we compare it to one of these? There's not enough data. So we're just going to have to wait and see. Anyways, I got to go, guys. I'm going to go on a run. I will see you guys on My Close Friends. See you guys soon.